Hi, my name's Sonjia and this is my channel, See It Then, See It Now. This is a nice easy one to transform a plain bauble into a unique one-of-a-kind decoration. It's also a bonus that I got to upcycle a jumper which had a hole in it and had gone a very interesting shape in the wash. I pushed the bauble down the sleeve, making sure the ribbon for the hanging of the bauble was at the end of the sleeve. I then cut off the sleeve, leaving enough jumper for me to wrap it around the bottom of the bauble. I glued the ends down using hot glue, cutting off any excess so it didn't end up too bulky. I then glued a little button into the bottom of the bauble just to give it a more finished off look. I closed the other end of the sleeve off by tying string and jute around, and then I glued a piece of Hessian fabric just around the back of the bauble. To make a bow for the front of the bauble, I glued a frill which I'd cut from an old t-shirt onto a piece of Hessian. I folded each end into the middle and glued it to make 2 loops. I then cut it in half. I glued a loop onto each side of the front of the bauble. I took this piece of ribbon and I glued it at one side, and I kept folding it over until eventually it went round in a full circle and I had a circular piece of lace. I glued the 2 ends together and then I glued this onto the front of my bauble. I then finished it off by gluing on a couple of buttons. Just to do a slight variation on this decoration, I created another one, but this time I used the body part of the jumper, which just meant that I needed to glue an extra seam in there. So let's have a reminder and see it then. And let's see it now. That's it for this one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.